In this video, I will show you how you can fix the fingerprint sensor calibration needed problem on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. From here, just tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics, then enter your lock screen PIN. Now after you enter your lock screen PIN, you will enter into this page. From here, just select None and select Remove Data. Tap on Remove, and after you remove all the data of the fingerprint and the screen lock, then just go to your home screen and open the Recent Apps section. Then tap on Close All. After that, just open the Control Center, and from here just tap on the power icon and select Restart. Now after your phone finishes restarting, then just go back to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. Tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics, and from here scroll down and under Biometrics just tap on Fingerprints. Now just register your fingerprint, and from here just use any screen lock combination which you prefer. I will select the PIN. Now just create a lock screen PIN which must consist of at least 4 digits. Then tap on Continue and select Use Anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now just select Done. Now just tap on Continue one more time. After you register your fingerprint, just place your finger on the fingerprint sensor, and once the animation continues, then just lift your finger off the fingerprint sensor. Now just tap on Register. Now just place your finger on the fingerprint sensor, and once the animation continues, then lift your finger off the sensor. Just like that. Now after you register your fingerprint, then tap on Done and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings, but this time just scroll down and tap on General Management. From here just scroll down a bit and tap on Reset. On this page, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN. Just tap on Continue, and from here just select Reset. Now do not worry, by doing that you will not delete any data of your Samsung phone. You'll just reset all the settings of your Samsung phone to the default Samsung settings. After that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on Software Update. And from here just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your Samsung phone, because sometimes these issues can be caused because of a software glitch, and a software update usually fixes these issues. But if you have done all of that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.